My dear friends, most of the people ask me while forming a contract what essential requirements are needed and what persons are competent to contract. So, this is the most important question posed to me by so many people. So, let us discuss in this particular video what people are competent to contract. So, my dear friend, the first and the most essential requirement while entering into a contract is that the person should be at the age of majority, that is, the age of 18 years or above. If a person is not at the age of 18 years or above, he shall be prevented from forming a contract. The second and the most essential requirement is that a person should not be of unsound mind. Unsound mind means the person should not be mentally retarded. He must have a logical sense of understanding how a contract is formed, what actually a contract is, what are the terms and conditions mentioned in the contract. If a person is of the unsound mind, he shall be directly disqualified from entering into a contract. The third and the most essential requirement while forming a contract or while entering into a contract is that the person should not be disqualified by law. It means that the person should not be legally liable in the case of insolvency or in any legal suit, whatever is disqualified by law in India. So these were the three basic and the most essential requirement for entering into a contract. So for more information, please like, share and subscribe to my channel and stay tuned.